In this video, I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve clear cache on GCash app. In order to fix and solve clear cache on GCash, you have to follow the steps. But before that, make sure to update the application. So go to your respective app store. On the search box, you want to type in GCash. And here you want to click on update. After updating it, so exit out of this page, and then you want to go to settings. When you go to settings, this is how it's going to look like. Here you want to go ahead and click on apps and notification and click on see all apps. Then you want to go ahead and locate GCash. You could also use the search bar tool in the top right hand side corner of your screen in order to look for the application. So this is the one, and I'm going to go ahead and click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, but if you're sure about it, you could do that as well. So that is the way you could fix clear cache on GCash application. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.